Hey, good morning, guys. Hey, so, this question I see happening all the time. I see it on the pages, I see it everywhere. Common question, just because when something is left unplugged on your BMW, you may think, oh, did I forget to do that? Did I forget to, plug something back in after I changed something? So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I won't show it on the F10 M5. I'll show it on my 335i. All right, go ahead and remove your battery tray here on your E90X. Then you're gonna showcase your battery. So the plug that is gonna be always left unplugged is this one. This is used for when BMW transports your vehicle when it was new. They use it so they can hook up a battery trickle charger up to it, like I said, during transportation. So if you're, changing your battery out, or you're just being nosy and checking a few things out, or if you need to run something in this area, and you pull this up and say, oh crap, I forgot to plug something back in. Where does this need to go plugged in at? Guess what? Nowhere. Just keep it tucked back there, sight unseen, and you're good to go. That's it. Very simple. Not to worry, of course, not to worry at all about this little plug. Well, guys, it's as simple as that. As far as just leave it unplugged, it's made to be left unplugged for your car during transportation, of course, for the trickle charger when your BMW was new. And not to worry, surprisingly, I see this question asked more times than anything else outside of all the other general things. I see this question actually asked quite a bit. Here to help answer it the quickest way possible. Well, that's it. All right, guys, big thumbs up on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the other informational videos I have for the 335i N54. Plenty of content on that. And of course, my F10 M5 competition car. Thanks again, and we'll be chatting here soon. Take care, guys. See ya.